Need to send or receive money internationally? Two of the biggest names are Wise and Payoneer, but which one is actually better? In the next 3 minutes, we will compare the fees, features, and who each platform is best for. Introduction. Both Wise and Payoneer are trusted worldwide, but they are designed for different users. Wise focuses on low cost international transfers, while Payoneer is built for freelancers, online sellers, and businesses receiving payments globally. Fees. When it comes to sending money, Wise usually has the advantage. It uses the real mid market exchange rate and it charges a transparent fee upfront, making it one of the cheapest options for international transfers. Payoneer may include currency conversion markups and additional withdrawal or receiving fees depending on how you use the platform. If your priority is saving money on transfers, Wise generally wins. Features. Wise lets you send money to over 160 countries, hold multiple currencies, and get local bank details in several major currencies. It's ideal for personal transfers, remote workers, and businesses. Payoneer offers receiving accounts in currencies like USD, Euro, and Great British Pound, making it easy for freelancers to get paid from marketplaces such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Amazon. It also provides business payment solutions and a Payoneer MasterCard in supported regions. Speed and ease of use. Both platforms are easy to use. Wise transfers can arrive within minutes or a few business days, depending on the payment method and destination. Payoneer payments between Payoneer accounts are often instant, while bank withdrawals usually take 1 to 3 business days. Which one should you choose? Choose Wise if you mainly send money internationally, want low fees, and care about getting the best exchange rate. Choose Payoneer if you are a freelancer, online seller, or business that needs to receive payments from international clients or marketplaces. Final verdict. Overall, Wise is the better choice for affordable international money transfers, while Payoneer is the stronger option for getting paid globally through freelance platforms and e commerce marketplaces. If this comparison helped you, do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out our other software comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.